Who's that? It's Woof Woof. See, he's looking at Jax. He's looking at Jax. Yeah, that's your doggy. Say hi, Aiden. I miss you. I miss you, big bro. Yeah. He's getting ready to eat, and look, I miss my mommy, because mommy loves me. He's looking at the dog. Getting ready to go to the zoo. You want your big brother to bring you to the zoo? Where's this breakfast you're telling me about, Daddy? Gotta go. Woof woof.